What are you watching?
Um, Basically, I had a subscriber reach out to us and said that their dream was to become a truck driver, but
Mm-hmm.
they are a recent amputee, and
Mm.
so they only have one leg, and so they just say like they feel like they watch the videos and they get so much inspiration, and they just wish that they could be on the road and drive a truck. And all I have to say is you could pretty much do anything you want in this world. And I saw this video on Facebook, and it's been going viral. And I just want to show this video to anybody that wants to be a truck driver, whatever your dreams are, that you can do it too. And so check this out. You know,
Oh, so he only has like
yeah, he's an amputee, and
he doesn't have his arms.
he doesn't have both arms, and they wish they could be a trucker. So I just want to show you this.
Wow,
Look at that. Look at that, people.
that's that's amazing.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, I don't care if you want to be a truck driver or not. And at the end of this, he gives this laugh of like happiness.
Orange.
I like this video.
You could do whatever you want to do in this world. Well, don't give up on your dream. That's all I have to say. Right? It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that
I know.
smile.
It's just shifting gears and steering the wheel and
Loving life.
wow.
That's cool. That's cool. So don't give up, people.